Hello everyone. Today I have an amazing demonstration for you, and this is pretty interesting. It's an AI voice agent. Basically, I built a 24/7 smart customer support, and this basically answers any technical questions. Basically, your front desk, an AI agent, and 24/7 at service for the customer support. So imagine you have a website, and that website has like tens and hundreds of other links for or other embedded pages inside the website. So this AI agent can understand everything about your website and business. It also you also can not only website, you can feed all your policies, your information about the website, or anything that customer needs at the beginning, so it understands it instantly and answers the question about them. So it's a pretty interesting AI agent. So I was looking online for some which ones, like, the ones that they are complicated with a lot of other links to them. So I finally I said, like, related to civil engineering, it's a UC Berkeley engineering, which is very popular. Everybody knows about it. And instead of uh, looking into the website yourselves, you're basically talking to the admission people, to technical research, to uh, anything related for international student, like national student, like out of a state, in a state. So all those questions. So let's try this, and this is very interesting, and you can apply this AI agent to your own business as well. So you will never miss any phone call. So all the phone call is going to be answered. So right now I'm just like testing it with here online, but you can literally create a phone number, an 800 phone number, and whoever who calls that phone number, then this AI agent gets activated and answer all your questions. So today I'm basically showcasing exactly that, an AI-powered assistant designed specifically for civil engineering businesses and professionals, uh, for example, UC Berkeley Engineering. To put it to test, then I created this practical demonstration where I'll ask around 10 essential questions from this AI agent using a university admission scenario as our example interaction. And are you still curious how it responds back? So let's jump right in. I'll
Hi,
allow.
I'm Civi, your AI advisor, knowing everything about UC Berkeley engineering. How can I help you today?
Uh, I wanted to apply for a PhD degree as an international student at UC Berkeley Engineering. Where should I start?
Great that you're considering pursuing a PhD in engineering here at UC Berkeley. To give you the best advice, could you clarify which department you're interested in? Also, have you already completed your bachelor's degree? Finally, are you looking for information on admissions requirements, program specifics, or something else?
Oh, thank you. Yes, I completed my bachelor's degree, and I'm looking for civil and environmental engineering with focus on structures and mainly materials research and seismic research.
That sounds like a great area to focus on. The Civil and Environmental Engineering CE department at Berkeley is definitely a top choice for structures, materials, and seismic research. To help you get started, I can share information about the doctoral programs offered in CE, including details on admissions requirements, the application process, and important deadlines. Would you like me to provide information on these topics?
For admission requirements, what do I need to achieve first?
Okay, let's discuss the admission requirements for the PhD program in Civil and Environmental Engineering. Generally, you'll need a strong academic record, typically a B average or a 3.0 GPA in your upper division technical courses. A grade point average of 3.5 or higher for completed graduate work in your major is recommended. You will also need to demonstrate English language proficiency. Would you like more details on any of these requirements, such as the specific English language tests accepted or any other specific criteria for international students?
Do I need a GRE exam?
That's a great question. To give you the most accurate information, I recommend checking the Civil and Environmental Engineering Department's website or contacting their graduate admissions office directly. Admission
Do you have
requirements
a
include
phone number for admission requirement for civil engineering department?
I do not have a phone number for the admission requirements for the Civil Engineering Department, but I can provide you with the contact information for Engineering Student Services, ESS.
Yes,
They
please. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, the contact information for Engineering Student Services, ESS, is as follows. Their office is located at 308 McLaughlin Hall, number 1700, Berkeley, California, 94720 to 1700. You can reach them by phone at 510-642-7594 or by email at s@berkeley.edu. Their in-person hours are Monday through Thursday, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Is
All
there
right.
anything else I can
All
help
right.
you with?
Thank you very much. Can you give me some information about the lab facilities on the seismic research?
You're very welcome. I'm happy to provide information about the lab facilities for seismic research. Berkeley Engineering has several facilities that support this type of research, including the Berkeley Earthquake Simulator Laboratory and the Ballistics Testing Lab, both operated by the Pacific Earthquake Engineering Research Center, PEER. The Earthquake Simulator Lab has a shake table with 6 degrees of freedom for large-scale structural testing. The Ballistics Testing Lab combines software and experimentation to emulate real impact phenomena and their effects on materials and structures. Would you like more details on these or other facilities?
No, thank you very much. And can you point me to most recent publications in the seismic research?
I can certainly help you with that. Recent publications in seismic research can be found on the Berkeley Engineering website. I can also provide you with links to faculty profiles and research centers involved in this area. Would you like me to provide you with those links?
Can you give me just the title of one of the research topics?
Okay, one of the recent research projects is titled Catalyzing Cascading Land Surface Hazards. This project focuses on understanding the impact of interdependencies between hazards, particularly how the footprint of a natural hazard evolves with time. Does that sound interesting to you?
That's perfect. Thank you very much. And are there any post-graduation opportunities?
You're welcome. Regarding post-graduation opportunities with a PhD in civil and environmental engineering with a focus on structures, materials, and seismic research, graduates typically pursue careers in academia, research, and industry. In academia, you could become a professor, conduct research, and mentor students.
Well, that was the phone call and phone conversation with this AI agent, and you could tell that it has all the information, the phone numbers, the addresses for the student services, the email addresses, and all the specific topic of research being done at UCB engineering. So this is just an example. You can apply this to any business, to any website, to any uh, online or kind of manual fed knowledge to this AI agent. So, for example, you have all your reports, all your policies, all your manuals, standards for your organization. So you can feed those kind of information pieces into this AI agent as a knowledge base, and then it understands it and it answers questions for you. So imagine the time differences between like East Coast or West Coast, like 3 hours difference, or from Europe, somebody calls this number, and this AI agent is 24/7, and it just provides answers. So I basically built a web crawler to acquire a lot of websites or web links from the UCB engineering, and then feed it into the 11 labs. So if you want to know and understand, learn how I built it, please follow, and I'll show it to you how I built it exactly.